Parents have a lot on their plates while planning for back to school. That's why the YWCAs of Alberta have launched a campaign to remind parents to opt their students into sex health education this fall. As CTV's Miriam Valdes Carletti reports, new legislation requires schools to implement opt-in policies.
There's a lot to remember when it comes to sending your kids back to school. The YWCAs of Alberta want you to add one more thing.
Starting September 1st, parents and guardians need to opt in if their child is to receive sex ed.
The YWCA wants parents and caregivers to understand the changes and make a proper informed decision. COO Catherine O'Neill believes sexual health education is valuable at any age. Public data from Open Alberta shows an 11-year-old girl gave birth last year, and 6 14-year-old girls also gave birth.
The evidence is clear that when you have good sexual education as a youth, that you'll protect yourself against things like STDs, teen pregnancies.
Among other changes, the new legislation says teaching resources that deal with gender identity, sexual orientation, or human sexuality must be approved by the education minister. The province says the amendments will strengthen parental involvement.
I think that's perfect, because then the parents can decide this is something we definitely will teach our children at home.
At some point in their life, the kids are still going to get exposed to all those things, so I feel like easing them into that part of their life is only proper.
Prior to legislation, children were automatically enrolled in sex education, and parents could opt out. In a statement, the province says this change provides clear direction to school boards to ensure parents are fully aware of and consent to their child participating in classroom instruction on these topics.
It's really unnecessary, these barriers and added hoops for the opt-in. What was working before was just the opt-out.
Support Our Students Alberta says the extra opt-in step will leave gaps in Alberta sex health education. The province says a list of approved learning and teaching resources will be available online at the end of the month. Miriam Valdes Carletti, CTV News, Edmonton.